Hey, you gonna go play in the snow? Go get the snow. Go get it. Go get the snow, Callie.
I knew where a ball was.
Go get it. What do you think of that white stuff?
There's your ball.
Oh, Daddy's gonna play fetch with you in the snow. He's brave.
Down.
She'll be easy. It'll be easy for her to see it.
Down.
Off, Callie. Go get it. Good girl. Says, what happened to my yard? It's all white and cold. Good girl.
Go get it. Ah, you got it. Watch it. This was funny. Go get it.
Oh, boomerang. Good girl, Callie. Good girl.
Off.
Snow, I want to put my muddy, snowy paw prints all over those clean, dry jeans. Well, somewhat dry jeans. Good girl, Callie. What are you doing? She says, I'm going back in. Her towel's in there on that hamper in the bathroom. Daddy gonna dry you off. Daddy gonna dry you off. Dry all the flakes off. Get you all dry. Was that fun? Was that fun? That was fun, huh? That was fun.
Hey, Tam.